Thanks, Deb, for the screws and the rev nuts or nut certs, whatever you want to call them. So I've made a little bracket, rev nut, a couple of screws. So these will be our auxiliary USBs, heads up display, radio, washer pump. They've got a power supply. So each one of these, as you can see, if I can get back a bit, you can see that LED or the test light showing that we have power on all of them. So that's picked up from the auxiliary that's in the wiring harness that you ordered now. So the USB connectors, we've got the power outputs. I've removed the inline fuses, which are not needed because of the fuse panel. These will be reinstalled. A relay, I'm going to run a relay to power supply that's in your harness, which I've pointed out to you behind the cluster. That's a direct power supply, so it'll have power all the time. I prefer that not to be constant power. So what I'll do is pick up a ignition circuit or an ignition supply, because the ignition switch doesn't have an accessories. So once you go to ignition on, that will then power the relay then will power our fuse panel. That way it won't be sitting constantly loaded with the ignition off. May have to do something about the audio system. Maybe they may need a backup supply straight from the battery, but we can work that out once I get that far. So this Saturday I had the day off instead of working and went for a ride with a friend of mine. Did a Saturday Arvo cruise, which you'll see in just a moment.